Hi, hello, Om Sai Ram. Welcome to Sai Nakshatra Collections. I am Raksha. If anyone new to the channel, please subscribe ಮಾಡಿ, like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, bell button na click ಮಾಡಿ for more updates. So ನಮ್ಮ channel complete customizations available ಇದೆ. So complete 1 gram gold and as well as silver customizations available ಇದೆ. Any designs in my collection silver ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಕೂಡ customize ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. If you like any other designs in my collection, you can make it in silver also. So I have complete real beads collections. So today we have beautiful silver and as well as 1 gram gold collections. This is a very beautiful CZ beads ido. Red money anತಾರೆ CZ drops. These are CZ beads actually, original CZ ones. So ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇದು ಕಸ್ಟಮೈಸೇಷನ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದಿದ್ರು 20 inches ಲಾಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು 1 gram ಗೋಲ್ಡಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸಿಲ್ವರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So this is 1 gram gold. Okay, I'll tell you the costing for 1 gram and as well as silver. So this is a closer look. Idu CZ beads, idu red color barutte, maroonish red blood color barutte. So 20 inches long barutte. So this is how it is. So 1 gram gold price is 899, free shipping all over India. 899, free shipping all over India. Silver ಆದರೆ ಇದು ಸೇಮ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ 1899 is a price. For silver it is 1899. For 1 gram gold is 899, free shipping all over India. If anyone are interested in this, you can book your orders. These are readily available with me. So next bandu, this is a very beautiful black CZ drops ido with Brahma mudi I have used. Excellent piece, 19 inches long barutte, Brahma mudi with black CZ drop shape al baruttala adu. So this one both in silver and as well as 1 gram gold al ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ನೀವು. 19 inches long barutte. 1 gram gold price bandu ನಿಮಗೆ this is 899, free shipping all over India. And in silver, if you want the same thing, it will cost you around 2200, free shipping all over India. So this is a closer look. CZ black drop shape baratala, that one, it's a real one, real CZ drop black color and Brahma mudi. Excellent akana, the beautiful shine it has, a very very elegant one. So this is a closer look. So this is drop shape black one. This is a customization order. So this is how it is. So Brahma mudi with black drop shape beads adu. So this is the closer look. As I told you the pricing, you can purchase in any of these, silver or in 1 gram gold. These are readily available. Okay, idalli nimge beri other colors if you want, you can go for customization. So this is one of very dainty piece, simple and neat pearl al barutte. This one chain 18 inches long barutte, pearls with a gold balls ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಚಂದ್ರಹಾರ ಚೈನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಎಲಿಗೆಂಟ್ ಒನ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯೋರ್ ಡೈಲಿ ಯೂಸ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ at ₹350 and you can buy anything, so you'll get a free shipping along with this. Okay, very very nice cleano model, 350. This is the price, and you can go with any other beads like black beads agbodu illa andre other colors also you can go with this. I do customization. So this is a very beautiful customization order. 19 inches long barutte, chandrahara chain use madidini, black CZ drops in the middle. I've used nakshi balls and chandrahara chain. Very very nice clean neat work bandide. 18 inches long barutte. This is 1 gram gold. Ide tara nimge silver al beku kuda ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. So this is how it is. I have different colors in CZ drops ali. I have purple, I have green, and I have red money, orange, baby pink. So there are a lot of colors in this. If you want, you can go with another colors also, but this is priced at ₹899, free shipping all over India. 899, free shipping all over India. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ silver and as well as 1 gram gold customize ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. New subscribers ₹100 off ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, who are new subscriber to my channel, ₹100 off irutte. You can buy any product and take ₹100 off in my collection. So this is the closer look. Very very neat clean bandide. Chandrahara chain ido, black CZ drops use ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. You can go for other colors also in this. Thank you so much for watching my video. ಇದೇ ಥರ ನನ್ನ ಚಾನೆಲ್ನ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Bye. We will see you in the next video.